Hello and welcome to demo of Overgrowth. I don't think I'm going to call it Overgrowth. It's a sort of voxel open world combat thing as it stands. College project. I've had about I think it's 7 weeks to do the whole project, but that includes a lot of research and write up, and it's only really been the last week that I've done most of the gameplay mechanics. It's a multiplayer game, as you can see. Hello, that's my brother. I'm over here.
Alright, over there.
Yeah. And we're going to demo some combat.
Okay. Where should we fight?
I don't know. Where do you want to fight?
I don't know, let's have a run about a bit.
Let's have a run about. There's still a lot of changes to do. I've identified a few just today. Mouse is a bit too smooth looking and doesn't feel very responsive. There's a few sensitivities tweaks and other things I can change about it, but overall it works. It's playable, and with exceptions of a few features like death and respawn, I'm pretty much done with this project. I've enjoyed doing it, and there's a lot of things which I couldn't fit into it. But you like here for a fighting place?
Yeah, this looks good.
This looks good. Okay. This looks good. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
When you're ready.
I'm ready.
Ready to die?
Ready. I am. Hey. Oh yeah, we just amped up the damage massively. Should be a 3-shot kill, though there is health regeneration.
The arrows are a lot faster now, I can tell.
Yeah, yes, we also amp that up. Okay, I might not be killing you on purpose, because I want you to at least hit me once.
Yeah. God's sake.
Oh, and there's also flying.
That's just a small...
Minor tweaks. But, you're gonna come at me. Oh wait, was I hit? Oh, you hit me.
Yeah, I did hit you once. Okay, don't doubt me. I'm just so bad.
I'm standing still. Okay, you just hit me so I can show the flinch.
How did I miss again?
Oh, there you go. Okay,
Really
sudden death, right? It's like 2-shot kill for both of us.
I think I've got a little bit more.
Okay, let's go. Oh! Ah, man. Ow,
Ooh.
okay.
That was close.
Oh! I'm making weird sounds.
That was so close.
Ow. Oh! Still alive!
You hit me! We both won it, I'm sure.
Yeah. Wait. Yes! Yes!
Well, you deserved it.
I did, huh?
You deserved it. I got a free hit on you earlier.
Did you? Oh, yeah, you did.
I need to improve.
Well, it's overall pretty fun combat mechanics so far. And yeah, this has been my college project. This probably won't be the final video I make on this game. I'm probably going to do another demo of the game in a finished state. But yeah, thank you for joining me.
Yeah, it's been great.
Good. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.